my friends, I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. Most of us have plans for the future, and those plans should include financial planning as well. Insurance is part of our financial planning, and one important policy you may wish to add is a critical illness plan. Why is this plan important? Well, while most people opt for life insurance, critical illness is just as important to prepare for. Many people will experience a critical illness of some kind at some point in their lives. If you happen to be one of them and you don't have a critical illness plan in place, you could end up with financial difficulties as a result. Insure yourself against becoming seriously ill. While a life insurance policy provides a payout for your dependents if you die, a critical illness plan provides a payout to you and your family if you fall seriously ill, you see? Providing you meet the terms of the plan, your payout will be triggered and paid soon after your claim. This won't change your position, of course, but it does mean you will be more financially secure if you end up with such an illness. If your lifespan is shortened as a result of your diagnosis, you can enjoy the time you have left without worrying about giving up work or struggling for money. As you can see, there are lots of advantages to including a critical illness plan as part of your financial planning. Make sure you don't miss out by finding the ideal plan via www.insureforyou.net.